Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ben here. Today I wanted to just show you guys a couple of things about removing the S Pen tip on your Galaxy devices. Now you can see this tip broke and it's a pain in the butt, guys. You want to pull it off very gently so that the stem doesn't break inside, because if the stem breaks on the inside of the S Pen, it's garbage. This is a really stupid way that, I don't know why Samsung did it like this, but it's a very dumb way. You can see it's broken. See the tip there broke off? So very gently you're going to take your S Pen pliers and just kind of pull on the end very gently so that the stem comes out. Because like I said, you don't want to break the stem off inside of the S Pen, because then it's junk. That went pretty easy. Now I have some different colored S Pen tips here. They're I think they're medium hard, and soft. The black ones are the soft ones, the white ones are the medium soft, and the gray ones are the hard tips. I like the hard tips because of the way I just prefer it. I like the way it feels on the screen protector. And you're just gonna slide it in like that. Tap it a couple times. Make sure it's down in there. And then adjust this out. And it works fine now. Like I said, you really want to be careful. Whenever you break off an S Pen tip like this, and it's just dangling around like this, you want to be very careful that you don't break that stem off, because then your S Pen is junk. There's no way to fish out the little stem like this one. See, this one broke completely. There's no way to fish the stem out of here when it's broken off, so you're screwed. Really dumb way that Samsung did this. I'm a little bit irritated with Samsung right now, but that's it. That's how you replace your S Pen tips. Any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks. Bye.